Hello guys, and welcome back to Gina's Natural Way. So if you are looking to save money and keep your locks looking amazing with an all easy moisturizer, then you're in the right place. So in today's video, I'm sharing my favorite DIY moisturizing spray that I use daily on my locks to keep them hydrated, soft, and healthy. So if you're ready to get great results without breaking the bank, then keep watching. Okay, now all of these ingredients, you guys, I do not measure. So you just have to go off of what you think would be great for your hair and kind of play around with it. But I start off with distilled water, about half of that. And then I go ahead and put in a little bit of rose water. That's for a soothing scent and the scalp health. I use a little bit of the aloe vera juice just to lock in that moisture, a touch of jojoba oil to seal in all that goodness, and then I also add a bit of glycerin, which acts as a humectant, and it helps to pull moisture in my hair, keeping it super soft. And then I take it and I mix everything in a little bottle, shake it up really good, and then I lightly mist it on my locks, focusing from the roots to the tips. And this mixture is lightweight, it's refreshing, and it doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy or weighed down, which I love. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I apply it after I get it all shaken up. I just take my hair down and then I spray my roots, I spray the locks, I spray everything. And then after I spray, I go in with just some oil that I made, that I put together, and I will show you guys how I do that as well in a different video. But go ahead and take a look, and then I'll show you some after pictures of how my locks look hydrated and just look good and feel good. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will be sure to list all of the products that I use in this video in the description box below. So if you enjoy this video, want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Comment if you have used some type of moisturizers from the store and how did that work on your hair. And I will talk to you later and see you in the next video. Bye guys.